How's it going? My name's Weston, and starting a YouTube series over renovating and cleaning up my grandparents' dairy barn to turn it into a functioning workshop, wood shop, metal shop, just kind of whatever. I'm a student at Tarleton State University. I'm a senior. I'm studying manufacturing engineering, so I'm hoping one day I can get my own workshop, machine shop, kind of whatever put together. And I think this is gonna be my first step. Got a lot of space here that I can work with, kind of turn it into something that's be really cool. Problem is, I just have to get it all cleaned out. There's a lot of just old scrap metal, just a whole bunch of old stuff here, and along with some cool stuff. And then once we get it all cleaned out, we can get on to remodeling. I say remodeling; it's more just putting up walls and just kind of enclosing the whole space and protecting the tools and stuff from the elements. But should be a pretty cool video series, hopefully. So yeah, we'll get to it. With this project feeling overwhelming, I started by tackling the clutter of PVC pipes. I aimed to clear this area first as it seemed the most manageable. Storing most of it in the rafters was my solution to keep it out of the way and free up space for a more functional purpose. Initially challenging, hoisting it up was a bit tricky, but once I got the hang of it, it became a matter of getting the job done. This wouldn't be as terrible if I wasn't having to walk through a maze every single time I have to take something out the stretch. Because this is the easiest and quickest way at the moment to get everything out. The box fans, they're just the screens. Why this is saved here, I don't know, but as you can see, it's very I'll give it the ASMR. It's very brittle. Saying the whole thing will probably snap. And even want an old lamp. Looks like I used to have wood, but the other half broke off. It's actually kind of cool. I might keep this and use it for a light or something. I bet the wiring is no bueno anymore. Once I filled my truck up with trash, I ran over to the winery to throw everything away. Our favorite fan blades, buckets, bottoms, that bucket, bolts that are worn. I was never here. After returning, I began to clear a path to move the incomplete trailer aside. This would streamline access for bringing items in and out of the barn. After cleaning most of the items from the trailer's path, I returned to focus on clearing the main section. Most of the items here consist of small pieces of metal that I plan to scrap. Currently, I'm temporarily relocating them outside. I'm on pliers right now, and trying to get all this tubing stuff down. And, some of them are wired kind of weird, so doing this fun game of put my entire body weight on the wire until it breaks. Pick all that shit up. Oh, one more. I think we can just break it. Yeah. I don't know how you get this. I don't know if that is good or not. Let's just see what's going on. Man, it's kind of getting cold. Temperature's finally dropping. walk through all the raccoon shit.
On day 2, I dedicated my efforts to clearing a pathway and creating space for items my father and I had cleared out for my grandfather's storage unit earlier in that day. My fiance stopped by on her way home from work to check how the project was going.
Yeah, but that's where we're using the tractor. We can come in there with the forks and the tractor and poke that thing and I can pick it up like a fucking, like you're doing stupid shit. What are you talking about? Well, you're doing stupid shit. That, well, why are you fucking like, why do you feel like that? That thing needs to be out there?
We just moved two things and we pushed all the stuff brought into this corner and I want them to move.
You're gonna bring it all up here now. Do this shit. Yeah, so the fuck's gonna roll up here. Let me. Don't break it. Pull it and let go.
I don't know if you could tell, but my father and I have the best teamwork. We begin the process of unloading the tools and various items in their new home.
Your phone is dusty. Excuse you. Yeah.
You're probably gonna.
I am very aware of that. Playing a game of guess where. Just started this.
As you can see, my fiance is a professional cameraman. After some time, we eventually succeeded in unloading my grandfather's table saw. Its nickname is the Great White.
Classic edition Unisaw manufactured by Dutchess Specialty. Oh, that's cool.
Might be loud. Sweet. Look at that. Who would have thought? Look at us.
After removing the trailer, the space suddenly felt significantly larger. It was at this moment I truly realized the extent of the progress I had achieved. Deciding to remove and organize the metal appeared to be the next best step, but it was easier said than done.
It's heavy. Whew. I don't know if it's because I didn't eat my eggs this morning or because I stayed up too late last night. But I am dragging today. Or because it's the third day of me doing shit. It's just getting tiring. The water comes, it falls right here, and then it all flows that way. So, probably gonna have to go find like a gutter or something to put up right here. My dad was saying that he's like, oh, it's gonna take you a freaking whole year to underestimate the power of hyper focusing. And relentlessness.
Progress was being made slowly but surely.
It's one of those times my dad would call me a dumbass. I'm doing it the hard way. Woo! That piece of wood that I just picked up has been sitting there for longer than I've been alive. And I'm turning 22 in like 3 days. These I-beams and stuff, this goes with that trailer, so that's gonna have to get moved. But much as I would like to, I'm not that big of a boy to move this on my own.
Alright, that's going to be it for this video today. If y'all made it this far, I really appreciate it. If y'all enjoyed it, please hit that like button. It'd mean a lot to me. And if y'all want to keep updated, or if you want to see the next videos in the series, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This is kind of my first video in my first series, so hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, hopefully it's going to be funner stuff coming in the future. Thank you.